Alright guys, we're back. We're working on the off-leash recall. So we're not using sound box, but everybody's got collars on. And Ava has her muzzle on. So remember, we're just following our little rule. And I'm going to be ready though. If she starts to attack or something, I'm going to bump her on the continuous and hold it down if I have to, under the context of getting her to come to me. Alright, so we've got Lady right there. Lady doesn't have a lot of food drive, so we're working on building that up. Lady! Lady! Good girl! Good girl! Good girl! Oh, she's a little wiggler though. Good girl! What's going on with you? What's wrong with your face? Alright, let's go. Alright, Jake's decided that he's just in love with girl. I'm going to tell you what happened just then, you guys. Good. Good. They saw a great big bird on the other side of the pond, and they both took off after it. Jake! Yeah, they were all the way over there. All right, come on. Not that the bird's probably going to come back now. Susie! Good girl. So remember, you guys, we're looking for a dog that will run in our direction. All right, look at Scarlet just go way. Oh, Scarlet's got her stick from the other day. All right, watch out, watch out. All right, so I'm going to get Susie back. Susie! Susie! Good. Scarlet! Scarlet. Good. 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 Good girl. Good. Good girl. So that was the nick on 100, just so you know, Mark. To get her to stop doing that. If they go to the dog park or something and start with that, you can get into a bind. Collar isn't on. It's dead. Oh look, Scarlet's swimming. Look at her go. Look at her go. And she's gulping and gulping and gulping. Oh, it's a Christmas miracle. Susie! Good. So that does show at least Susie's already getting the muscle memory. Good. What happened to Lady? Lady! Where's her? Oh, there she is. Lady! Good girl. Oh, good Lord. All right, I'm going to get Scarlet. Scarlet! Good girl. Oh, butter! Oh my gosh, look at her go. Oh my God, did you see that? I hope you guys zoom in on that. Lady! Oh, look at her go. Scarlet! Good. Lady! Good girl. So, Laura, you can see she's having the time of her life. Lady. Good girl. Good girl. So I'm just doing the pager. Good. We're definitely probably, Lady, we're probably going to have to use the chicken with this dog because it doesn't have a real high food drive. All right, I'm going to stop Susie. Susie, good girl. Want to use the collar in that context, you guys, to break up these little scenarios. Look at her go. I'm going to get a short little clip just for Facebook, just of her swimming. Look at her go. All right, you can use the pager mark to page them out of the water. There's 2 rules of thumb with this, though. You're going to have to repage them when they hit the land. All right, let me get... All right, so I got Lady pretty close right there. Lady! Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. She was eating the treats now, though. Jake! Good boy. Jake! Good. So I turned him right before he started to go swimming. Good. Jake! Good. See what happened though? He had the exact same turn he had twice in a row. Good. Good. Scarlet! Good. Same thing. You saw that little nice little turn on him. If there's one thing I can't stand, it's a dog with a slow, slinking recall. And this is the only way to do it, you guys. We're not doing, there's nothing to do with the stay involved here. All right, look, there goes Susie. I'm going to get her going away this time if I can. She loves to play. So you do want to vary your distance with this dog. Because we're just starting out. I want it to have several successful. Scarlet. Good. Good girl. Ouch. Susie! Good girl. Good girl. So what I did was hit the nick right there and called her. You saw she spit that thing out with her life. Good girl. You have to be careful. If the dog park, they start getting possessive. Just like that. Look at her go. Susie, good girl, good, good. So she's running even that short distance, not really fast, but she was actually running. Don't want one slinking along, and you can see what I'm doing, you guys, is I'm not screaming sit or anything when they get here. I am looking for the behavior of, move quickly in my direction. Sure, I'm a Butterfingers, and Victoria will tell you I lose everything all the time. Constantly set things down. Lady! Good girl! Good! Good! Susie! Good! Good! Oh, she's just doing fantastic. All right, guys, we're going to go. We're going to try to get a little clip of Scarlet because Scarlet has her own Facebook page now, and so does Jake. They're competing for fans, so both of you guys go on there. Lady, good girl. Good girl. Oh, she's a little fancy prancer, that one. More updates soon.